back to the show, guys. Now let's get right into the Talent on the Rise segment. Let's check out recording artist Vision.
Rastafari no need them friends. We put them out to a pagans them. Same ones them sell you out. I see say that I hidden them. Rastafari no need them friends. We put them out to a pagans them. Same ones them sell you out. Hey, watch your step when you are walking on the street. Vampires out there ready for suck your blood like leaf.
My main objective is to liberate one's mind through music so that one can be more aware of what is going on in order to make more conscious decisions, in order to make this place a better place. I grew up in a Christian home in which I had to go to church like every Sunday. It was like a routine. But there was something about Rastafarian culture that I admired from then, because I always find myself going around Rasta artists, and I found their culture very intriguing and all of that, and so I started doing some reading and find out what the culture is all about, and hence come forth the whole transformation. I was born in Kingston, that's in Standpipe, St. Andrew. So I grew up in Portland. Yeah, I grew up with my grandmother. I didn't grow up with a dad or a mom, but it was a good experience growing up with my grandmother, because she instilled a lot of values and attitude in me, and hence I bring forth all the values and attitude in my music today. First major competition I entered was a TVJ Reggae Trail Talent Search. That was my defining moment that I decided I'm going to take on music full term. So the experience was wonderful, because at that time you learned how to control yourself on stage and all of that. And fast forwarding now to 2015, that was last year, I entered the JCDC Festival competition, and it was a great exposure and it was a great platform.
Rastafari no need them friends. We put them out to a pagans them. Same ones them sell you out.
My musical journey, the high points I would say it's my maturity as it relates to my writing skills and my delivery on stage right now. That I would say is my high points. The lows right now, I think all young artists have the same problem as it relates to getting your songs out there. The single I'm promoting right now is a track called Eden, and it's a reflection of what is going on in society as it relates to people being deceitful and evilous. So the song was produced by Tabat Production. That's a production from Inland Sticks and Catherine, and it's a wonderful song. Okay, I did some work with Mikey Chung. I did some work with, as I said before, Tabat Production. I did some work with Home Run Productions. I did some work with John as well. I did some work with Striker Lee's son, Striker Jr.
Now it's time to check out this week's music video premiere.
We are gonna love one away, one away. We are gonna love one away. Yeah, me love the way your body shake. Yeah, you take me to another place. Can't wait if you know what I did. We are gonna make the link one away.
Now it's time for our second commercial break, but before we go, let's check out this accident prevention tip courtesy of our sponsor Superior Parts Limited. We'll be right back.
This accident prevention tip is brought to you by Superior Parts Limited. Motorists, when driving, keep in your lane. Do not occupy more than one lane. Do not change lanes suddenly. Do not keep changing from one lane to the other. Keep safe, hug your lane, and remember always to watch out for pedestrians, especially children, the disabled, and of course the elderly. This tip is brought to you by Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.